Okay, so let's install the rear bumper. The rear bumper attaches with the 4 screws. So it attaches here, and over here under the rack cover. So I will have to take off the box and take off the rack cover. Removing the box is easy. I have 4 thumb screws like this. Okay, it's a lot of dust and sand and mud over here from the last drive, which you can see in my video spring drive. Now I will remove the rack cover so I can get to these screw holes. Okay, the rack cover is off. Now I can have the access to these screw holes. Guess I'll have to clean them a bit. These screws for the attachment bumper came with the, of course, with the bumper. There is 4 screws, and I'll going to be using for some extra safety just some thread lock. This looks massive, to be honest. So everything being bolted, seems to be sturdy. So now it's easier just to lift it up if I'm stuck somewhere. You can easily lift by the bumper. It doesn't look big, to be honest. It should be also good protection. Alright, the box is back. I have to say, I do like it. It looks massive, but I do like it, yeah. How it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the side. It does stick out a bit, but I believe it looks good. In a description there will be a link where I bought it. If you do have some questions, leave them in a comment sections. And yeah, watch my videos, subscribe and like please. See you next time.